If you're looking for an old-fashioned remedy that's just for adults, this Amish cough syrup, sometimes called snake juice, is one you'll want to save. You'll need 1 to 2 onions, 2 to 4 lemons, 1 pint of honey, 1 pint of blackberry brandy, and a pint of peppermint schnapps. If you want to reduce the alcohol, you can substitute crushed peppermint candy for the schnapps while still getting the cooling benefits of menthol. Start by removing the peel from your onion, then cutting off the ends. Once your ends are cut off, cut the onion into halves, remove any remaining peel, and slice into thin slices. The thin slices expose more surface area, which allows all the wonderful juices and compounds to infuse into your cough syrup. Gently pick apart the onion slices with your fingers so they'll layer in a jar. Next, cut off the ends of your lemons and slice them into thin rounds. No need to peel your lemons. The peels actually have wonderful compounds that will add vitamin C to your cough syrup. Remove the seeds from the lemons so you don't end up with any in your syrup. Using a clean, airtight glass jar, begin layering your onions and lemons. Alternate between the two until you've used all of your slices. This layering helps everything infuse evenly as your cough syrup develops over the next few days. You don't want to fill your jar to the very top because you want to leave room for the other ingredients. Pour the honey over the fruit and onions, letting it slowly work its way through each layer. This may take some time. Once the honey has coated everything, add the blackberry brandy and peppermint schnapps, making sure everything is covered. You may not use all of your alcohol. Seal your jar tightly, then give it a good shake and let it sit at room temperature for 3 days. During that time, the honey will draw juices from the onions and lemons, creating a rich syrup that's packed with flavor. Your end result will look different based on the color of the alcohol that you use. If you want a smoother syrup, strain out the lemons and the onions before storing it in the refrigerator. When the onion and lemon remain in the syrup, it will keep for about 6 to 12 months when properly sealed and chilled. For shorter term use, you can leave the sliced ingredients in, but strain them out after the steep time to extend the shelf life. Because this recipe contains alcohol, children should avoid it. However, adults can take 1 tablespoon of Amish cough syrup every 4 to 6 hours for as long as symptoms remain. Honey and peppermint are great for soothing irritated throats, while lemons boost the immune system with vitamin C, and onions have beneficial sulfur compounds. This unique recipe is well worth keeping on hand during cold and flu season.